Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Additive Dissolve effect on Premiere Pro. So first of all, we want to open Premiere Pro. After opening it, we just need to drag the video clip which you want to add the effect. And after that, here you can see the original footage which I want to add the effect. So for this video clip, I'm just going to add the effect. So for that, we just need to go to effects. If you don't have an effect over here, then here on the top, here a second last option, you can see here window, click on that. And then here's an option, you can see here effects, click on that, or otherwise you can click shift+7 and the effects will open. After opening the effects, here you can see a search bar over here, click on that and search for Additive Dissolve. And then here you can see the effect Additive Dissolve, drag that effect to your video clip. And here I'm just going to add the effect in the beginning and ending of the video clip. And after that, you play your video, you can see that you had been added Additive Dissolve effect to your video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.